last video, we cut it kind of short. I might mend these two videos together. I might upload it since it's a new channel. Upload it as one. But basically, when you got music in the background, YouTube hit you with a copyright where they basically don't want you to make money off of someone else's music. So a guy, I guess he was about to come in. I might have heard something, and I'm just like, cut it off. But anyway, so now we back over here in this corner. And if you can take out these last few little towel spacers, teal spacers. I walked into a hardware store and I said, can I get some towel spacers? And she was like, huh? And I was like, towel spacers. And she's like, I don't have that, but they have plenty of towel. So I hit Google, put in towel spacers. Put in towel spacers, showed her a picture. She said, oh, okay, yeah, I got these. I said, okay. I said, what's the name of it? She said, teal spacer. So, if you're ever in Uganda, just know to say teal spacer. And hopefully you have luck. If you don't, just don't tell them I told you to say it. I'm just telling you the situation I had. Pushed in, that's good. Now, I think we got all of them from below. We just have a few at the top. So now, just keep the camera rolling. I'm about to clean out these grout lines. The guy did a good job as he was laying them, cleaning them out himself. Which means I gotta get back to my boys in America. I gotta get them to start doing it this way. Because he got very few. He left about 10% of the lines he cleaned. Well, we leave 100% and come back the next day. Can always learn something.